Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we'll be making panzerotti. So panzerotti is a dish which is made up of some vegetables, some cheese, stuffed in a dough and deep fried. So this has originated in the southern Italy and the central Italy. So let's start making our panzerotti.
Some chopped onion, chopped zucchini, chopped garlic, some grated mozzarella cheese, some chopped carrots, bell peppers, celery, pepper, tomato sauce and basil, some salt. We are using the pizza dough here which is already made. So let's start by making the mixture first. Some oil in the pan, add some garlic, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of celery, half cup carrots chopped. Give a nice mix. You can use any vegetables which you have. We are using today zucchini and bell peppers. You can add other vegetables also. You can add beans, you can add some green peas, you can add some corn, add some onion also, chopped onions. Panzerotti is a street food item famous in Italy. It is just some pastry dough stuffed with vegetables or meat and deep fried. When your onion, carrot, celery turns translucent, time to add our vegetables. We are adding 1 cup of zucchini, chopped, yellow and green, and bell peppers. We are using yellow bell peppers and green bell peppers today. Now mix it. You can even make non-veg filling for the panzerotti, like minced chicken, minced lamb, or prawns, minced prawns. Some seasoning, salt and pepper. You cook your vegetable on a high flame so that all the water is been evaporated very quickly and we get a dry mixture. We don't want the mixture to be very watery because this is for filling. When we fill the pastry dough, it will come out if it is too watery. After 1 minute, you can see the vegetable is softened enough because zucchini doesn't take time to cook and even bell peppers cook very fast. We are done. At this point, add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce to it and give a nice stir. And we will switch off the flame. We'll add some basil leaves to it. Our mixture is ready now. We'll let it cool. After cooling, we'll add grated mozzarella to it and stuff it in our dough, shape it and deep fry them. So today we are going to make the panzerotti with pizza dough. This is the pizza dough. For the pizza dough recipe, we have made a video of how to make a pizza dough. This is the same recipe. I have already made it and kept. We will roll this dough and cut into roundels, then stuff it and make our panzerotti. This is the cutter we will be using it today. You can use any steel bowl or some container lid to cut the sizes, whichever you would require. I have a cutter. I am using this. I am making it into a big sheet, then I will cut it. Now time to cut the roundels. It's very easy to do it at once if you have a big place to work your dough. Now we'll cut it into desired roundels. You can again roll this dough back and make your own more shapes for the panzerotti. So our dough is ready, our mixture is ready. Now we'll start stuffing. Before this, we'll add our mozzarella cheese into it. Panzerotti is a very famous Italian street food. It is like our Indian samosas, small pastry dough filled and deep fried. So let's start making the panzerotti. Take one spoon of the mixture. We'll wet the sides with some water to stick it. Fold it into half moon shapes and pinch them. So we have stuffed all the panzerotti. We'll take a fork and give a nice mark. It will seal the dough also properly before frying. Our panzerotti is ready to be fried now. If you can even keep it frozen and you can use it whenever you want. We will be serving the panzerotti with tomato sauce today. So this is the tomato sauce which is already prepared by me. We're just heating it. For the tomato sauce recipe, we have done a video how to make tomato sauce also. This is the same recipe. Just keep it ready to be served with our panzerotti. We'll be deep frying the panzerotti. For that we have to take a karai and put oil and keep it for heating it. Oil is hot now. We'll start deep frying the panzerotti. We'll fry the panzerotti till it turns golden brown like this. One side it's done. We'll turn it and fry it the other side. Now time to take out the panzerotti from the hot oil. So our deep fried panzerotti is ready. Time to plate it.